Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. This is Augustine from BusinessRocket, and today we're going to walk through how to start an LLC in New York step by step. We'll break everything down into 7 simple steps in plain English so anyone can follow along. And if you still have any questions at the end, go ahead and drop them in the comments and we'll make sure to get you answers. Let's go ahead and jump in. Step 4, complete the New York publication requirement. This is the step that surprises most people about New York LLCs. Within 120 days of forming your LLC, New York requires that you publish a notice of your LLC's formation in 2 newspapers in the county where your business is located. Here's how that'll work. You'll contact the county clerk to obtain the names of 2 designated newspapers. One will be a daily paper and one will be a weekly paper. You'll submit the notice of formation to these newspapers, and the notice must run for 6 consecutive weeks. After the publication is complete, the newspapers will provide you with affidavits of publication. You'll then submit those with a filing of certificate of publication to the state, and the filing fee for that is $50. Costs for the newspapers vary widely, sometimes a few $100s, and in some counties it can exceed $1,000. We can't legally advise you to skip this step and ignore the laws and requirements in New York, but we do understand that it's not financially feasible for all new entities, especially if you aren't planning to conduct business right away. If you don't complete this step, the company will still be actively registered with the state, but your LLC can be limited in ways. For example, being able to sue or have proper liability protection set in place. However, other companies that have elected to file this at a later date have had this status lifted and the publication become retroactive to the date it started doing business. We personally advise to contact the Secretary of State and ask what can happen if you don't publish within 120 days to seek a better understanding on how to approach this for your situation. We'll leave their contact info below. And that's it, the 7 steps to starting an LLC in New York. New York does have a few extra rules compared to most states, especially the publication requirement. But once you know the process, it's easily manageable. If you want to do it yourself, now you have the roadmap. But if you require help, BusinessRocket has helped thousands of entrepreneurs start and maintain their companies in multiple states. If you found this video to be helpful at all, please like and share, comment your questions below, and subscribe for more business guides in the future. We'll see you next time.